Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. Litecoin is one of the few coins that has been moving today. So yeah, we want to take a look at the chart. We want to take a look at this pattern that has evolved here and take a look at, could wave 4 here already be in? So let's take a look at that. Overall, with Litecoin, remember what I said, I'm not a great fan of this chart. It is losing out big time against Bitcoin. Lifetime chart, Litecoin, Bitcoin, very bad for Litecoin. Nothing I would invest in at all, Litecoin, for that particular reason. Why would I invest in an altcoin that by nature should be outperforming Bitcoin? Why should I invest in an altcoin that is just losing out against Bitcoin over the years? Well, it doesn't make any sense. Short-term swing trade, absolutely possible. Interesting, and so far this pattern has worked out nicely. The idea is that this could have been a wave 1, this could have been a wave 2, this could still be a third wave. There will be a wave 4 and a wave 5. If we see this pattern, 5 waves and then 3 waves down, we can really entertain the idea that a low was in. At the moment we can follow the pattern. It's a short-term bullish pattern, and it's one of the few coins that's currently looking quite good, at least short-term, yeah. But very clear condition, we need to hold the yellow support box as support. So we need to hold the $71 level. And I already updated the Telegram and Discord members earlier today about this wave count. Said it could very well be that the wave 4 low is now in. We're pushing higher here in possibly 5 waves. But we must not drop below the $71 level. If we do that, it would make this pattern very unlikely that it's still going to work out bullish. So it's a very well-defined invalidation point, which would be here the $71 level. If you think why the $71 level, it's based on the Fib levels. If you draw the Fibonacci retracements, $71 is the 50% retracement. If you know which wave we are in, like here the wave 4, you know that normally a wave 4 should not retrace more than 50%. Also not in crypto. If it does that, it's most likely not a wave 4, will be something different, maybe something more bearish. So at the moment, however, we did hold this level and we have moved up, to be honest, in what you could what you could consider 5 waves. So I still have a bit of a cough here. But yeah, we know we can say wave 1 up, wave 2 down, wave 3 up here, wave 4 was most likely to be honest, maybe a triangle here. Let's see, triangle, and then we did peak in a 5th wave. No, not like that. We peaked in a 5th wave here, then came down quite strongly. This would most likely only be the first wave of this 5th wave of a larger 3rd wave. Okay, so it's getting a bit complex now, but it's getting interesting, because then we could say this was a 4, this was a 5, we're now coming down. But before we do that, I'm going to just change here the wave degree, and then we can add another layer of waves just to show you how this would most likely unfold. Before we do that, we have to move that wave 3 to the side. That's what always happens if movements take a bit longer. So we would say this would be a wave 1, here now a 2, then we move up in a 3, there'll be a 4 and a 5. For this we can change the wave degree again and maybe give it a different color to make it distinguishable. So yeah, this is how it would unfold most likely now, yeah. So it could be that this was already the wave A, this the wave B, and the wave C is coming now. Can define a support area for the wave 2, and that would most likely be, well, the 50% level would be a decent one. That would be good, $74, maybe down to the 61.8% Fib level at 73, basically. Sort of this area. It could theoretically go down to the $72 level, the 78.6% Fib level, but this would be outside of the channel. So I would rather say that wouldn't be so likely. But yeah, we already have a bit of a top signal here, so it could have topped. Let's see what happens actually if I connect all the... Yeah, we haven't really... Well, we could argue we've broken this trend line as well. but it's not a very clearly defined one, so better not use it. But yeah, there's a good chance that this wave 4 bottomed here yesterday. We're now going to push higher. Target for that fifth wave in white is, for me, still sort of the $90 range. Yeah, maybe a bit higher. And yeah, I think the next retracement will tell us everything that we need to know, because it will be the make or break point. So if we drop basically below 72 and then also $71, I think the overall bullish, short-term bullish setup is most likely not going to work out. Okay, and that's my update about Litecoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.